Alright, why did this come so quickly? Like, I ordered this yesterday. What the hell? Now, this is a YuFu v2M and also some Speaky Trap Lube samples. Now, I'm really excited to open this. Okay. So, here are the two things I got. Now, this is my YJ Yushi 6x6, and I really liked it, so why not get a 7x7? And I also got some Speaky Trap Lube, so Luna, Martian, Galaxy, and Nebula. So yeah, I'm excited to try this 7x7 out. So I unbox from the bottom because the bottom is easy to open. So here's the 7x7. It's really glossy, which is pretty nice. So it's basically the same as my 6x6. So let's do first hands. Okay, what the hell? This is actually surprisingly good. Alright, so I feel like it's actually quite better than the Yushi. It's much faster than I thought, even faster than the Yushi, which is because it's an odd layered puzzle. It also has a really satisfying sandy smooth feel, which is with every single keyboard I unbox, but it goes away after like a month. Let's see. So this is my 3x3 wire pen, and it does it pretty well. So the magnets, I feel like the inner layer of the 6x6 is about the same as like this layer right here. And the outer layers are actually, these actually are quite strong, which is nice. So it's a consistency throughout the layers. So I'm really liking this 6x6, 7x7 I mean. So we're gonna do the super flip. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Since I enjoy 5x5 and I'm almost like I'm getting pretty close to sub 1, I might enjoy 7x7 as well, because I also enjoy 6x6. So stay tuned for a YuFu review, and stay tuned for these lube reviews as well. I don't want to use these just yet because I gotta get a good thumbnail. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya!